Oh, we're gonna take out a BMW. Here we go. Oh, he got the jump on us. Nope, we're gonna get him though. Yeah! Here we come, BMW! Woohoo! He cheated!
Yeah, I was super busy trying to roll up the windows.
Huh?
I was super busy trying to roll up the windows. Yeah, I gotta get this guy better brakes.
Why, they suck?
Yeah, the stock ones. Yeah, I totally forgot about having the windows now.
Yeah.